Hello, my beautiful people. This is my 2020 Christmas haul, stuff that I gave myself with my own money. This is going to be short because, let's be honest, the stuff prior was for my Christmas. If you like videos like this, fashion, lifestyle, please subscribe and like, comment what y'all want to see on my channel. And without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so like I was saying, prior videos was going towards me and my Christmas. How the money that I spent on Ivy Park, probably over $1,000. The blue blazer that I was, sad about, I actually got it in a different size. I sold mine and the extra large, and I got a large, and I'm so happy about that. And of course, some things aren't going to be in the haul physically because they're still on their way, which is the blue and green Ivy Park belt that I haven't got. So like I was saying, I got this in a large instead of an extra large, and it fits so much better, like y'all. A1. And I was like, what am I gonna wear with it? I don't know, other than like jeans, whatever, and I have no top if I want to wear a top. And I got a top. I didn't originally get this in the hauls, and now I got it. It is the blue, oh God, it's the blue. And it matched perfectly with this, because look, perfect. And the only thing is I'm kind of scared about is that this really fits big, but if I get a small, I'm not even sure if it's a small out there that's, people are willing to sell around the same price, because I got this from around the same price. What if it stretches? Because I was going to get the black one because I saw that one's on sale, but I don't know how I feel about that. I'll keep y'all updated on that. But I got the bodysuit. I think this is my first bodysuit. Yeah, this is my first bodysuit, and it was like unworn and everything, because I did get both of these from Poshmark, so I'm happy about that. And one thing, I'm gonna go ahead and get this out the way, is the shoes. I already did an unboxing on my channel, so I'll link that below. If y'all haven't seen that, come see it. It's basically just the brown black shoes, and we love these. It's so soft. It's kind of scary now that I think about it, but I wore these a couple of times already since that last video. The next two items I got from my uncle. Cards did come with them, but he still said he's a little iffy, but anyways, this is my favorite one. It's the Burberry one, I think. Let me know if y'all know if it's not, or is it. But I love this one, and this is the Gucci one, the classic Gucci, not the black, which is, wait for that one, because your girl got her eyes on that. I can't fit both of these, they're too big. Let me know what I should do about it. Think about adding other holes, but with this one I can't add a hole, so maybe I just might sell this one, because it really messes this up, because I think I tried it on and right here is where it fit best. I don't know, I'm not for sure. I'll also keep y'all updated on that. But they're cute belts. They are. Oh, Jesus. Especially this one. I love this one. I love Burberry. It's cute or whatever. So the next big purchase. Y'all are not gonna believe this. Y'all are not gonna believe. It's not my first luxury purchase, but it's my first one I'm gonna show y'all. You girl really did it big for 2020 Christmas. Yes, she did. Y'all. Your girl got Chanel. Look at her. Look at her. She got Chanel. Poshmark. Honestly, somebody needs to delete Poshmark from my phone, because I'm obsessed now. And it did come with a receipt that's in my room right now. I'm not gonna get that, but I got it from Nostro. She got it from Nostro, and it is these beautiful earrings. Oh my God! Do y'all see it? I know y'all see it. Oh, Jesus! So it's basically these double C Chanel crystal earrings. I don't know why, but when I was looking at the picture, I was like, oh, it's just the little small ones, the ones that I want. No. And it had a quarter next to them. I don't know. Me, size references, I guess, don't work. But yeah, oh my God, I love these so much. I honestly don't know why she sold them for so cheap. And then I was able to go down more on the price. I feel like that girl. Let me show y'all. And they are so comfortable. Like, I haven't worn them yet, because I honestly been saving it for y'all. Yes. You see me shining, 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 yeah. I've been going back and forth from looking at y'all. Oh, these are the earrings. Yeah, I felt like my makeup. I did something new or whatever. I probably shouldn't did the purple lip, but it's fine. It's fine. It's whatever. Do I look like somebody bougie auntie? Because that is the vibe I'm going for. I'm knocking all the other bougie aunties out the way. Scoot over. Yo. Okay. Am I serving to y'all or what? Honestly, my favorite purchase ever. Okay, so the other things that I did get is still kind of on its way. Like, y'all remember when Beyonce Gazelle Notes Carter lent her voice to play Nala, and then her makeup artist Sir lent his talent to do a makeup collaboration? I got that whole collaboration, like the whole PR thing, and it's brand new. Like nothing is touched in it. I got that, and yo, I'm really getting into my makeup back again because I did stop. You guys was just happy. And I also got a Smashbox lipstick, liquid lipstick, and it's like brown. I think it's called Grit. It's an Instagram influencer that recommended it, and I was like, okay, yeah, I see you. I'm gonna get it. But honestly, I'm just these earrings. Oh. Hello. Hi. Hello. Y'all, that is it for the haul. Just know, I'm gonna be pumping out these videos, especially January. January is my birthday month. Y'all haven't seen extra at all. And you know what too? This makes like a little over a year that I have my channel, because I was thinking about filming for my birthday last year, but I didn't. Well, not last year, this year. That's crazy. And we're growing and we're strengthening in numbers. Growing, duh. And thank you for that. And please stay tuned for the rest of forever, honestly, and see the videos that I pump out to y'all. Without further ado, this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all next time, my loves. Bye. And Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. This will not be the last video of the year though, so again, stay tuned and be blessed.